Choosing the right robotics and coding kit for your child shouldn't feel like solving a puzzle. Will they give up? Is it too hard? What if you waste money on the wrong thing? That's why we've created the Exoskeleton series. For parents who want robotics to be easy, exciting, and absolutely worth it. No confusion, no extra parts, no I quit. Just robotics that work out of the box and grow with your child's confidence. Each exoskeleton robot is full of an adventure in one box, with perfectly matched parts, step-by-step video and printed guides, and activities that makes learning science, technology, engineering, art, and maths fun and engaging. Kids can build a hydroponic garden and learn chemistry code, a tank, to understand physics, or create a dancing robot that sparks engineering curiosity. They start coding with Microsoft's free MakeCode platform using drag and drop block coding, like digital Lego. It's as they gain confidence they progress naturally into typed code. Even adults with zero coding and robotics experience can dive into this, with the Exoskeleton Level 1 robot as the perfect starting point. Plus, the reusable brain, our smart microcontroller, means you buy it once and use it across all skeleton robots. More learning, less spending. Everything is included in the box: the robot, clear instructions, videos, guided activities, and friendly support. No extra purchases, no mix match parts, just pure moments. Exoskeleton is trusted by parents and loved by schools, fully aligned with the South African CAPS curriculum and perfect for homeschoolers too. Wondering where to begin? Start with the JitterBit, our first robot. He dances, reacts to sounds and movement, makes quirky noises, and follow your child's code like the disco master. The Exoskeleton series turns time into real-world skills, boosts confidence, and makes learning robotics feel like a play.